We got a big thing going on. What's the big thing? Are we gonna go get some moose book? Unlimited moose book. Wait a minute. We're gonna buy a Lamborghini. Yay! Let's buy a car. All right. What are we doing, Jeff? Come on. I got contacted by my underground ninja organization. Wait, you're a ninja? That's actually pretty cool, bro. What the hell you want to do? I'm also part ninja.
No, you're not, Moose. You're part stupid.
Oh. And we got a criminal bank we gotta rob. Well, that's all you, man. Listen, bro. We don't need to be robbing no banks. No! You know, this is a bad idea, Cyclopia. We're like pretty much like...
No, we'll be
I guess
fine.
it's not really
Look at
committing
my
a crime.
sponge attack. I'll be able
What
to
you
take
doing?
out everything with my sponge attack.
Here we go, guys. I got my grenade launcher. Wait for it.
Whoa,
Yay!
okay, that's pretty cool.
Take the young little cash wheel. Let's get out of here.
Oops. Moose, I made 2 more oops.
Dude, we're losing all the money.
I'm
will throw you. You're ruining this for everybody right now.
Sorry.
Come on, get all the young little cash wheel. We gotta go, bro. We gotta go.
Oh, okay, wait. I'm getting it.
Whoa! To another day of Daycare. I don't know what just happened there. But anyways, guys, yo, where my boy Cyclone at, bro? Where my boy Cyclops? Hello? Cyclops? What's that? I hear. Hold on. I'm going to communicate with Cyclone through dinosaur noises.
Hi! I was in a tree.
Yeah, let's go. Wait, why is it locked down?
What is that?
Oh, Jeff.
Moose,
Jeff.
follow me. We'll go through the secret engines, bro.
Where is it? Where'd you go?
Oh.
Wait, what? Why is this Daycare covered in bars? Like my
Moose, did you do
rhymes. I didn't do this, bro. What do you mean I did? I just came here, bro.
Wait, Moose, we can still... No, never mind. Moose, how do we get into Daycare?
I don't know. It's all locked down.
I have one last idea, bro.
Two things. Hold on. Come here. Push me.
Okay, wait. I'm coming.
Hold on.
Go.
I got this.
What did you do?
Hold on. I did this wrong. Wait. I got you. Ready?
I managed to make it in. How didn't you manage to make it in?
What'd you do?
I'm just like naturally, I cover my body in butter and I can then slide along the floor like a slug, so.
What does that mean? All
I
right.
don't know.
Let's go. Yeah, how is your B-Day? Yo, where's Jeff the Moose at? Hey, yo, Jeffy! What was that? No, you gotta do something like this. My name is Rick Rose.
What did you just... Wait, let's go find Jeff. Oh.
What?
He's just stood there. And then it's...
I was drinking moose milk, and I just see Cyclone get blown up. Cyclone, you okay?
No!
I'm going crazy! What do you mean you're going crazy? Jeff, what's wrong, buddy? What happened today? Huh? Jeff? That looks... Ow, Jeff!
Moose! What?
Jeff?
Moose, I made a hole in the roof. Come down. Come
Jeff,
down.
what's wrong, buddy? Why are you going crazy today, bro? Huh? It's time to do the extreme hide and seek. Okay,
What does that
awesome.
mean? What does extreme
I think
hide
that
and
means
seek mean,
if he
Jeff?
finds us, he kills us.
Moose, he's looking at you, bro.
With no chance of living. Run!
Run! Go! No, don't block me off! Wait.
Run!
Don't let him get you, Moose! I've been sacrificed, bro. You're too young. Moose, you'll be fine, okay? Just believe in yourself, bro. Just believe in yourself. I'll come with you. Moose, where are you?
Hiding. Yeet.
Moose, tell me your position. Do like Moose code. Tell me your Moose code. Where are you?
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 moose milk. Oh.
It's okay. Jeff is here, Moose. Jeff is here. He's found me. Moose, he's found me.
Where are you, buddy?
I don't know. I
Do
don't know.
cyclone noises and I'll figure it out. That's...
Wait,
what?
Are
What
you
does that
inside of a
mean?
door, bro?
Oh. Okay, hold on.
Wait, I just went inside of a door that was blocked.
I'm making gorilla noises. Oh, snap. Oh, snap.
Wait, I know where you are. Hi.
Cyclone? Cyclone!
Follow me. Where are you going? Why are we splitting up? Stay together!
Ding.
A sound. He won't know we're behind him. Moose.
All I ever wanted to do was be a potato.
Moose, I'm really afraid, dude.
He's breaking things.
Moose.
Yo,
Okay.
I'm underground.
I'm coming down. Okay, stay right there. He won't be able to know where we are, bro. He won't know that we're under the stairs.
Where are you at, rat? What's that? What? Huh?
Moose, as long as you don't tell him we're under the stairs, he won't know, okay?
Why would you tell him that?
Why would I tell him what? What?
Go. Go
Down! Go down! Go down faster! Ah! Moose, I'll protect you, bro! Just go. Just keep going.
He's not liking us! Oh no!
I'm on one heart! He's got Moose! He's here! Moose, I'll take one with the team! Run, dude! Run! So bad! Moose.
What do you want, Jeff?
Moose.
Run!
Moose, I'm on half heart! Come on!
Hey, no,
I'll protect
cheating!
you, bro.
This is creative about is cheating!
Ah! Jeff, you have to get out of creative. It's cheating, bro.
Okay, I'm good.
Moose,
I'm good.
follow me. Let's go
We're
build
going.
up a fort.
Oh,
wait, I can't. Yeah, this didn't. Wait.
Banana.
Okay.
My name
build
is
it, like, right
Moose.
here. Okay.
Ah! Sacrifice!
Stop! Don't sacrifice me. I am smelly good. What? Okay, Moose,
Huh?
follow me. Okay,
Go.
ready? I learned this from Bed Wars. Okay.
Really? What are we doing? Are we building bed protection?
Hey, yeah, dude, we gotta get resources to protect the
Come
bed.
on.
Okay.
How much blocks do you have?
Yeah, that's about it.
Oh.
Bye!
Ah!
This is my place now. Leave me. Wait, you have moose milk all along?
Yeah, I had moose milk.
Continue the bridge, bro. If we get over to another building, we'll be fine. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, Cyclops. You know what I learned in Bed Wars too?
Moose.
What?
Moose, don't do this. Moose. No. Moose. Moose.
That's what I learned in Bed Wars. Tell me where
Very
the
good.
rat is and I spare you. What rat is he talking about? I don't look like a rat,
Going
do I?
insane. Moose down here. Oh wait, where are you going? Moose, build over. Go. No, don't leave without Moose. You're making this very difficult for me to follow you. Okay?
Ah!
Moose! He's found us, Moose! He's found us! Run!
Oh no! Run.
Moose.
What's up, buddy?
I'm gonna get some wood. I'm gonna make a pickaxe.
Ah!
Here, bro.
How is he fighting me?
It's okay. We're just good. Moose, stay here. Mine some resources, okay? If you
Okay,
stay
I
inside
got
and
you,
get the
buddy.
resources, we'll
This
be
is a
fine.
really
We'll be fine.
got him. It's some really extreme
Okay.
stuff, bro.
All right, Moose. Whereabouts are you, dude?
You'll see. You'll
Hey,
find
Moose.
out. I'm out of here. Are you
Okay,
still
now-
gonna hide with the? Hey, now you're just cheating, okay? There's no way you can find me like that.
On me.
Oh.
Dead.
Oh.
Dead. Ah! Okay, that didn't work. Don't follow me. Moose, wait. I'm gonna go somewhere, Moose, and teleport when I say, okay, bro?
Okay, gotcha. I'm invisible.
Teleport, dude. Teleport, okay? Trust me and we'll be fine.
Teleport!
You're in game mode.
Yeah, you're cheating. You're flying around. That's not how hide and seek works. Yeah, you.
Okay, Moose, this is my
Get a
little
torch. I
secret
can't
tunnel.
see. I'm legally
I don't
blind.
have it. Wait, give it to me, Cyclone. What's
Torch.
64. Okay.
This is the
Torches,
extreme
go.
version. Go. Yes, we got
And
light
then
now.
we're allowed to teleport then.
What is that thing?
That's what thing? Don't mine it. Don't mine it.
Why not?
He'll know what we're under here if we mine that, okay?
Go. Ooh.
Okay.
Hey.
Alright. I'm gonna go have a quick look, okay, Moose?
What you doing?
I'm having a look out. It's
Hi.
very obvious where we were.
Oh. Run!
Moose, inside the house! We'll barricade it up!
Go!
Okay, Moose, follow me.
This way. I'm a secret agent named
Get inside one of
MooseCraft. Yo, let's go to the top floor.
Go to the top. Wait, there's another floor? Okay, let's do it. Oh no, he's here! Moose!
Oh, oh.
Ah, Moose! You're on your own, bro.
Oh,
You're
oh,
on your own.
oh. No, 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 no.
Okay, just
No,
breathe.
no, no,
Just
no.
breathe, okay?
My name is
Breathe, Moose.
Consuela. Oh, no, 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 no. Hey,
So
buddy.
you need to
I'm
stop.
out of here. Go, 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 go,
Doing
go,
bed
go.
wars, and I'm doing bed wars. I'm doing bed wars,
Hurry.
okay?
Hey, now you're just completely cheating, Jeff. That's gonna be
cheating,
one
bro.
kill for you.
Hey, okay, keep going, keep going, keep going.
This
Moose.
man is straight up teleporting to us. That's not hide and seek. That's called cheating. Go, go, go.
Where do we go?
Oh,
Let's go.
oh no. Ah!
Inside. No, Moose! I'll never forget you, bro. Follow me. Okay, what we have to do is we have to do parkours, okay? Now every parkour map has brought us to this moment.
Okay,
That was really
all right,
easy.
here we go.
Okay, right. We're inside. These buildings are really empty.
No, no, no,
Moose,
no, 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 no.
Turn around, Moose!
Where are you, buddy?
I'm in a building. Hi, Moose.
Where are you?
I'm in a building. I'm looking at you, dude. Come back
Cyclone,
onto the main road.
I'll
Come back
never
onto the main
forget
road.
you.
No, don't leave without me. I see him.
Where are you, Cyclopia?
Come back to the main road. You'll be able to see me. I'm at the same building.
He's
we were just
destroying
at,
the whole
okay?
place.
I know, dude. I know. Moose, to the left a little. More to the left. More to the
Oh
left.
my God, what's up,
Oh,
buddy?
he doesn't see me. He
Cyclops,
actually doesn't
He's
see
nearby. He's nearby. It's
Oh,
gonna be
oh,
alright, little
me. Oh,
Cyclops.
I think it is.
buddy. Cyclops, you'll never see that one door
it is.
super standing out in front of the whole building.
Ah! He found the door!
Cyclone TP! Cyclone
He
TP!
found
Hurry!
No,
Hurry!
I'll be fine. I have dual powers. Moose, it's very dark, but I'm fine. I'm fine. I'll keep you.
TP, hurry up!
Are you sure? Okay. Oh no, I'm TPing to myself.
Come on, we're in a massive city. We can go anywhere we want, bro.
Where are we going to now, bro? We have to get inside one of the cars. Get inside one of the cars.
That's not a car!
a
Yes!
car!
That's a good idea. Let's get a car. Let's make one. Nah, we probably
How
can't.
are
I
we
got
gonna
an
make a
idea how to
car?
make a crafting recipe.
Wait,
But, what?
Snowballs, we can fight him back.
Huh?
Come take some snowballs. We'll fight back, Moose. We'll fight back,
What?
okay?
No, it's not gonna work. We're gonna die.
It might make him cold and
Hold
he might
on.
get upset.
Let me see if we can get some crazy stuff that can help us out. No. No, 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 no. Where
I'm
you
gonna
go?
fix my snowballs. I thought that was a good idea.
I have an idea. I
Okay.
have a really good idea. On the countdown of 3,
Mhm.
run. 3!
Oh, you broke again! Why are there T-Rexes?
Run!
Why did you think?
I don't know. I thought it was
Good
gonna be
idea.
smart. T-Rexes are distracting.
He's gonna be able to smell the T-Rexes.
Oh, they're fighting
never
each
mind,
other,
they are.
and that
Yeah.
one's dead. Yep. All right.
Well,
Well,
I'm
times like this. Wait a minute,
I'm-
Cyclops. Dude, we
I'm
have one
gonna go tame
advantage.
it.
No, Cyclops, come here. Dude, come here.
I
Bro,
got 8
are we-
T-Rex.
are we not smart?
What do
Well,
you mean?
I'm out of here.
Wait,
Go!
my car. Go on the train. He won't be able to get us, Moose. Wait, I might be just as fast as the train.
Hey, listen, it's the thought that counts, all right? I need your
It's the
sass.
thought- oh. Moose,
What?
don't turn around. Oh.
Ah!
Moose, run!
I'll fly away forever! Well,
Wow,
thank
you
you so
went
much
real
for this video. Hope y'all did enjoy. We'll see you tomorrow with a brand new one. Subscribe, sub the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye!